Well, I guess everybody knows what this is. This is a crimp on a 1/2 inch PEX pipe. And sometimes you need to remove the fitting, and I'm going to show you a way to do it real easily. So I'm going to take this outside. There's a lot of videos on the internet about how to do it, and they're pretty complicated and they're pretty frustrating. So I made this video. If you can remove the pipe and the fitting, just go to your grinder. You'll hear that pop, and now this thing can be easily taken off with a screwdriver and a plier. Piece of cake.